1. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. This means that if you could stand on Venus, you would see the Sun rise in the west and set in the east. This unusual phenomenon is called retrograde rotation, and scientists believe it could be the result of a massive collision with another celestial body billions of years ago. Unlike Earth, a day on Venus, one full rotation, lasts longer than a year on Venus, one orbit around the Sun. Feel free to comment and let us know topics you would like covered. 2. There's a planet made entirely of diamond. 55 Cancri A, often referred to as a diamond planet, is a super-Earth located 40 light-years away. This exoplanet is twice the size of Earth, however, has a mass 8 times greater, suggesting a composition rich in carbon. The extreme pressure inside the planet may have crystallized this carbon into diamond, making it an astronomical gem unlike any other. 3. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons stands at a staggering height of 13.6 miles, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is so wide that it could cover the entire state of New Mexico. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, formed by the slow accumulation of lava flows over millions of years. Its colossal size is a testament to Mars's lower gravity and the lack of tectonic plate movement that allows such massive formations to exist. 4. The coldest place in the universe is not far from Earth. It's the Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. The temperature in this nebula is just 1 degree Kelvin, which is only a fraction of a degree above absolute zero, the theoretical lowest possible temperature. The nebula is so cold due to the rapid expansion of gas being ejected by a dying star, which cools the surrounding area to this near absolute zero state. 5. Neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe. A neutron star is the remnant of a supernova, and despite being only about 20 kilometers in diameter, it can have a mass up to twice that of our Sun. The density of a neutron star is so extreme that a sugar cube-sized amount of its material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. These stars are so dense because their matter is packed so tightly that the atoms are almost entirely made up of neutrons, giving them their name. 6. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. This impending cosmic event, known as the Andromeda Milky Way collision, is predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years. Despite the vast distances between stars, the collision won't necessarily result in many direct impacts. Instead, the gravitational forces will merge the two galaxies into a new elliptical galaxy, dramatically altering the structure of both. 7. Space isn't completely empty. It's full of a mysterious substance known as dark matter. This invisible matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely undetectable by current instruments. However, dark matter's existence is inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. Dark matter is thought to make up about 27% of the universe, while the matter we can see only accounts for 5%. 8. There is a region in space where the laws of physics as we know them may break down the singularity of a black hole. At the centre of a black hole lies a point of infinite density where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. This singularity challenges our understanding of physics because the known laws cease to apply in such extreme conditions. It's a place where time and space become warped in ways that defy comprehension. 9. There's a massive invisible structure called the Great Attractor pulling our galaxy, and many others toward it. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly in intergalactic space, lying about 150 million light-years away. Despite its name, it isn't a single thing, but is rather a region of space where mass is concentrated. Scientists aren't entirely sure what the Great Attractor is composed of, but it's thought to be a result of the combined gravitational pull of a massive cluster of galaxies. 10. The most distant object ever observed is a galaxy called GNZ11. Located about 13.4 billion light-years away, we're seeing this galaxy as it was just 400 million years after the Big Bang. GNZ11 is not only incredibly distant, but also incredibly young in cosmic terms, thus providing a glimpse into the early universe. Observations of such distant galaxies help astronomers understand the formation and evolution of galaxies over cosmic time.